The day in the life of a girl trying to get a few more wears out of her protective style before taking it out. I got a phone call to go to brunch and my hair was not looking too right, y'all. My scalp and my braids were extremely dry. So I decided to try some of Aunt Jackie's Elixir hair and scalp oil to restore some moisture. And for laying down my edges, Aunt Jackie's Smooth and Swirl Edge Gel. Put these two together to make some magic. So I cleansed my hair thoroughly and dried it. And the next day, I was able to come in and put some of the oils on my hair. It felt so good, y'all. Y'all can see already everything is looking nice and moisturized. And after I did my edges, I laid it down with my hair wrap for a few hours until I got ready. And y'all, it was looking like a fresh dew, okay? I can at least go another week with my protective style. You can find these items at your local Target, CVS, and Walmart.